Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. When I want it. Pull up on sight. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Yeah. Do that for that check.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anik and a K. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, yay. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. Today is especially exciting, y'all, because as you guys can see, I pulled out the big boys. Okay, I pulled out my debt diary from my girl Money with Gab, because today we are going through to see how much I've been paying on these damn debts. Okay, and so without further ado, we're not gonna get into a long intro, bitch, because we're gonna get into it. Let's start the video. So as you guys can see, for my debts, I have 4 debts that I'm working with. These are my 4 debts that I started off the year with, or my debt journey with, right? I have my credit card 1, which started off for the month of March. Started off with a balance of $0. I made no minimum payment to it. I made no additional payment, and it still kept that $0 energy. Okay, we love it. Now my credit card number 2 started off with a positive balance of $33.50. Okay, I'm gonna put that I have a minimum payment of 0, and I have an additional payment of 0, and I'm going to put it at 0 as well. Let me explain to you, baby. I don't believe in interest on this credit card. Okay, this is my rotating credit card, so that means my bills is on this credit card and the additional things I buy is on this credit card. But at the end of the month, this bill balance is 0, bitch. Okay, because we don't got time. So because this 0, there's no additional money going on it. There's no additional money coming off of it. So this credit card, it's rotating, but it's rotating at 0, bitch. We don't believe in interest. So I'm gonna leave that as $0. I ain't putting nothing on it. I ain't taking nothing off, and we don't pay interest. Hello, I'm just there for the cash back. Next, the most important girl of the class, okay, one of the most important girls of the class is my car loan, aka my debt number 3. Okay, I started off the year with $19,999.99 because I thought that shit was cute. I didn't want to be $20,000. I wanted to be below that, and that was just like a petty, like cute, like, oh my god, girl, be under 20,000, they'll be like $19,999.99. Whatever, sis. So anyways, paid some money in February, paid some money in March, and so my minimum payment for this car loan is $465. Now I've been paying on this additional money since the beginning of January, and so I do make additional payments throughout the month. So my additional payment that I've made is $914.13. And so my car loan balance, give me a second, y'all. Let me tell y'all what my current car loan balance is. My current car loan balance is $18,863.36. Now if some of y'all is mathing like, you know, you're supposed to be mathing or mathing while you're looking at this, you guys can see, if I zoom in a little bit more, you guys can see that 1 + 1 + 1 is not equaling 3. Okay, that is because of interest, bitch. And we are going to fill out that portion down here later on in the video, but let me get through the top first. But interest, bitch, so get into it. Okay, next is our final baby, which is our mortgage. Yes, mortgage. Yes. So our mortgage, okay, which is our biggest money grabber. Okay, let me tell you something. That one right there, she be coming for pockets without no like hesitation. So my mortgage for the month of March started out as $213,024.03. That shit says 6-digit, bitch. That ain't even in my bank account, but that's gold. Your mortgage should be your bank account gold. Can we talk about it? Talk about it. Yes, in the month of March, I made a minimum payment of $395.00. I made no additional payments on that bad boy. And my ending balance currently is $200 $12,629.03. Okay, yeah, so this is the number starting in the beginning of March. This is my minimum payment I've paid to it, and this is the ending amount at the end of March, y'all. And that was all principal payment. So if we add up all this bad boy right here, I'm not gonna add this in, I'm just gonna put it as 0. So if we add up $19,322.25 plus our $213,024.03. Okay, so my total for what I started with the month, excluding this $33.50 in positivity, because we just need total amount of debt, is $232,000. That shit sounds ridiculous. $346.28. It still sounds ridiculous even to my ears, bitch. It sounds ridiculous. Okay, I had a minimum payment for both of these of $795.65. I also had an additional payment of $914, and then my total remaining, my ending baby, $231,492.39. That shit just still hurts. Okay, so $231,492.39 is what I'm ending the month of March with. My principal payment for the month of March was $200 and wait a damn minute. I think I did this wrong. Hold up, back up, pause, y'all, pause. Okay, y'all, flag on the play. Your girl found out she didn't make this $914.13 additional payment. So she brought out the whiteout because, you know, gotta stay with that thing on you, especially if you do paper budgeting, because this happens, okay? So for the month of March, I made $465 in minimum payments, and I made an additional payment of $112.19. So that would be 112.19 down here as well. So that is what I actually did, y'all. Ooh, child. Whew, that was almost a mess. Almost a total mess, but your girl brought it back together, okay? So my principal payment that I made for the month came up to a total of $853.89. That is how much I paid in principal with paying my mortgage payment and also on my car loan. So my interest that I've paid on my debts this month is a total of, and we love this cute number, okay? It is $53.95, okay? My total debt or total payments I made on my debts this month is $907.84, and that is the total that I've paid for the month of March. But it said I paid 0.0039%. Y'all, I have to go 4 spaces back from the decimal. Okay, that's how serious this is. But I made a little dent, I guess you could call it. I made a little dent. So I'm paying off my debt. I'm paying off my debt, and that's all that matters. I don't care, that's all that matters. So I made 0.039% payment off my total debt, and guys, with a $213,000 mortgage, I feel like I'm getting somewhere. So we just gonna be happy about it. So with the end of March comes with the Q1 results. So this is just me checking up to see how Q1 went, you know, how your girl did, boom bada bang, all that good jazz, you feel me? For the month of January, I paid a total of principal in the amount of $343.46. That is the total amount that I paid in January. In the month of February, I made a total principal payment of $726.19. Okay. For the month of March, I made a principal payment of $853.89. That is how much I paid for January in principal, February in principal, and March in principal. And I didn't really have a goal, but my goal was completed for each month. Because in January, this was only payment on my car. In February, I just paid my first mortgage, y'all, my very first mortgage. And then in March is when I actually paid mortgage, but no interest because it's a long story. Let's not get out into that. Let me do a total addition of all of these payments, and then I will let you guys know my total. For the first quarter, the total principal that I have paid on all my debts is $23, my bad, y'all, and 54 cents. That is the total principal that I have paid for the month of March, which closes out my quarter one results for my debt journey. So what are my reflections and wins of this month, okay? This is my results of quarter one. I'm excited to start quarter two. April is coming up, baby. I don't know when you guys are seeing this, but I've already like done this maybe a week out. I'm gonna do this in another video, quarter two goals and everything. But yeah, this is my update and my quarter one update for my debt. I am so excited, guys. I am so happy. I love this damn book. I love Gabby. I hate the bitch at the same time, because let me tell you, I never tracked my debt like how I tracked it now with this debt diary, okay? I would be like, hey, I'm making this payment, my debt is going down, we're good. But no, this bitch is now telling me, hey, you made this payment, but you're only paying this amount towards principal. Hey, you made this payment, but you're only paying this, and you're paying this amount towards interest. And I love that, but at the same time, I hate it. I hate it because it really shows you that you ain't doing shit. It's a love-hate relationship, y'all. It's a love-hate relationship, and it just is what it is. But if you guys have not gotten the debt diary of 2022, make sure you go ahead and download it. Okay, the link is down below. If you guys would like to grab it, go ahead and support my girl Money with Gab. I love this damn book as much as I am cussing the book out and cussing her out in my head. I love it. I love her, and I so appreciate this book right here. So make sure you guys go ahead, check it out, grab it, bitch. If you haven't grabbed it yet, what are you doing in life? It's honestly seriously question. But what is my ending of this video, because you guys know I always have a little ending for my videos. Hey, in your budgeting journey, make sure to tell yourself you did good. No matter what you did, good, bad, indifferent, as long as you were putting in the effort, you did good. Okay, so that is my story, and I'm sticking to it, baby. That is the end of the video. Like I said in the beginning, if you guys enjoyed this, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Okay, subscribe down below. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of my first quarter. Okay, like I said, I started in February because life was life, and then January just wasn't it. I had just moved into my house. It just wasn't it. But you know, for what I've done, I'm super proud and super grateful, and I am excited to start quarter number two. It's also my birthday month in quarter number two, so it's all good in the hood. Anyways, guys, my name is Anique, N-A-K. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.